What's up, y'all, and welcome back to my channel, The Diplomat, if you're on YouTube, and the same thing, The Diplomat, on my Facebook page. Today, we're going to talk about cheapest universities here in the US. Um, these universities are based on tuitions and also based on their scholarships that they are offering. So stay tuned for that. So first, we have Arizona State University. It's a public university. It's based in Arizona, and they have 44.5% of international students. And compared to the national average, their undergrad tuition per year is cheap, 34 around 34 grand. And for graduate studies, it's around 37 grand. Most undergrad is about 40, 45, and the most graduate in the US is about 41, cheapest, and around 50 average. So that's why Arizona State University is one of the cheapest one in the US, and their scholarship is called New American University Scholarship and International Academic Award. So if you are an international student, you can apply for those scholarships when you are applying for undergrad. And for graduate school, you can talk to the graduate admission for available scholarship for them. And it's really good because their acceptance rate is around 90%. And let's move on. We have University at Buffalo. This university is also a public university and it's based in New York. Um, they host about 70% international student, and their undergrad tuition, whatever degree you are pursuing, is around $27,000 per academic year. And their graduate programs, not included law, is around 23,000 per year. And they have what's called University of at Buffalo Flagship Scholarship. So this is geared towards international students. If you are an international student, you just apply and then apply for this scholarship. And their acceptance rate is around 68%. Depends on the year and depends on like what time of the year you are applying, but this is on average. Some semesters or quarters are higher, some are lower, but this is the average. And next one is Eastern New Mexico University. It is based in New Mexico. They only have 2% of their students are international student. Most of them are out of state, and the out of state meaning people that are not from New Mexico are around 3.5%, and 2% is international student. Undergrad tuition is around 8,500, and graduate tuition is around 7,000 per year. And their scholarship is called Out of State Freshman Scholarships. This is basically for people that are doing undergrad degree. If you want to know more about graduate school, you need to talk to the graduate admission in international services. Their acceptance rate is 28%. It's not like a very popular university, but it's still a good one for international student. And if you look at the tuition, it's very, very low compared to the other ones that I mentioned earlier, and it's really, really affordable for the US. So check that out. Next one, we have Minnesota State University, Moorhead. It's also a public university based in Minnesota, and the percentage of their international students is 4%. Not a lot of international students go there, but it's still good. Tuition for undergrad is right around 9,000, and for graduate school, it depends on your program. So you need to go into the website if you want to know about the tuition for graduate school per year. And for scholarships, you just need to apply and be admitted, and it's going to be automatic. And there's also what's called international student scholarships. So you can apply for that. And it's very good for international student because they are targeting more and more international student. And acceptance rate is 57%. So now let's move to the next one. The next one is Nichols State University. It's also a public university based in Louisiana. Uh, their international student percentage is very low, but tuition wise, it's still affordable for the US and for the state as well. It's right around 9,000 for both undergrad and graduate school per year. And their acceptance rate is really high, 98%. So if you apply, uh, if you do good in everything, then you have a higher chance to get accepted. And if you want to know more about the scholarships for international students, uh, they don't really offer in the website the scholarships for international student, but they said they offer some if you talk to the International Student Services Office. So check that out. Um, the last one is Brigham Young University. It's a church-owned university. They have uh, they have 3 locations: Utah, Idaho, and Hawaii. We're not gonna talk about Hawaii today because Hawaii cost of living is really high. So even though the tuition is low, the cost of living is gonna uh, make your life not easier. For tuition, undergrad is $13,000 per year, and graduates that is for Utah. And if you're going to Brigham Young University in Idaho, which I went to, is 9,400 per year. Graduate school is right around 17,000 per year. BYU, Brigham Young University in Idaho, and Hawaii don't have graduate school. It's only Brigham Young University, Utah. And scholarships are good. If you are doing good, you can get minimum of like 10% tuition reduction, up to 100% reduction. When I went to Brigham Young University, Idaho, first year I had 75% scholarship. Second year until I finished, I had full ride scholarship. And for Brigham Young University, Utah, their acceptance rate is 67%. And Brigham Young University, Idaho, their acceptance rate is 96%. So if you're interested in these universities, I will drop their links, their website for their links in the comment below. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye-bye.